Cursor AI versus Void AI. Let's start with Cursor. So Cursor is an AI-powered code editor built on top of VS Code. It deeply integrates GPT-based code suggestions and debugging tools directly into the coding experience. It's geared towards developers who want seamless AI help within their IDE. So let's talk about its pros. Based on Visual Studio, so you can be instantly familiar for most devs. It also has smart inline code generation and refactoring. It can also edit an entire code base without context and with context as well. It also has a GitHub Copilot style chat, but with project wide awareness. It also supports GPT-4 Turbo, Cloud, and other LLMs. And lastly, it offers a generous free plan. Although it has some downsides, it's still in active development, so might be occasional bugs. And it also has pro features, which is like cloud, which requires a subscription, so you'll have to pay real money. And it has limited plugin ecosystem compared to full VS Code. Now next we have is Void AI. Void AI, on the other hand, is an engaging, emerging AI code assistant that focuses on writing, completing, and debugging code in real time. It markets itself as a lighter, more autonomous alternative to Copilot or Cursor. It has a very fast real-time code suggestion. It also has a lightweight and simple UI. It also is trained to handle multiple languages like Python, JS, and JO. It also works in browsers, so there's no download required. And lastly, it may offer better UX for small tasks and snippets. Now let's talk about its downside though. It's not as context aware for large code bases, and they have a limited project-wide editing or advanced refactoring tools, and it is limited of customization as of 2025.